Oh, we made it, folks. I'm gonna go take a little pissy quick. Now, the motorbike shop is really across the road here. Oh, toilet. So we made it just in time, actually. It's 5 o'clock. And the weather is fucking wonderful. All I have to do is cross the place here. So close. This works out so wonderfully. Every day and in every way. My life just gets better and better. Isn't that wonderful? Oh no. Cup. Okay, Cup. Good. Okay, thank you. I think I texted you. I don't know who I was texting. This one.
Say hi. Hey, may I have passport and driver's license?
Sure. Tired, huh? Ready to go home? Go home now. No? Go home now. You're tired.
Because I eat food.
Oh.
If you have insurance, you have to policeman, but you use stamp A. This is for car.
Huh?
This is stamp B for car.
Oh, I think they did a mistake because I got for a motorcycle.
Yes, but you can win by here, but you have say when you policeman checkpoint, the 500 maximum 1,000 is
Oh, you're gonna stop me for this?
yeah, for police here a lot of. But I mean just in case policeman checkpoint, but I don't sure police check for you or not.
Oh, got you. No problem. Yeah.
And you pay the fine, you can use the mostly 2 days. You can keep the receipt. And when you pay the fine, you can go the 2 days.
Oh, okay. Okay, keep the paper. Okay. ครับ Ay. Silly girl, thank you.
No, I did not book because he did not confirm, so have to choose down. Yeah, waiting for the leave your things, go down and choose. Stop watching now.
You weren't kidding, huh? Get very busy, huh?
What this one?
Cup. Okay.
This one on 160cc, 450 baht per day, 1,000 baht deposit. This is new model of Honda
Oh,
P6.
too much. Too much.
Yes, if you, this is just come back, so we have small. Mana saja how many days? Just tell them to
Okay. 1 week.
1 week. Okay. You like this model, sir? You have
How much is this for 1 week?
200 baht per day.
Per day.
Yeah.
Okay, cup.
So you say 1 week, so you just pay 6 days, one day.
Oh, okay. Can do.
So okay.
They're all the same, huh? All
Yeah.
same.
6 days. I think it's okay.
Okay.
You can try.
Can. 125, huh? This is what 125, huh?
110, sir.
Okay, no problem. Not go far.
Good. No need to have a very
Power, no. Too much. Up there, huh?
just look here. I check the gasoline and tire.
Okay, you're Thai or Filipino?
Filipino.
Oh, can tell. Filipino, huh? ¿Hablas un poquito de español o no?
Our Filipino language has mixed with Spanish.
That's why you hablas un poco de español o no?
Oh,
Oh yeah, I chose that one. Yeah, I'm gonna get it for 1 week. 1 week.
I want you.
Oh,
if
you-
you want big size, it is a half one.
Oh,
1469 now.
I stay local though. Local.
Local.
Yeah, no go far.
And this is the document. You want learn how many?
1 week.
1 week. Okay, please. You already inside because I have promotion discount one day.
Okay.
Don't worry. And if you have any problem, you can come here and change another buy.
Okay.
Please. Maybe inside.
Okay. You need some coffee, huh? You need a cafe, huh? You need a cafe, huh?
Renting for 10 days, right? So you'll be finished on 15.
Yes.
Around 5:20 in the afternoon.
Okay.
Oh, money now, huh?
And you pay me.
Refundable to
No. I
1,000 baht.
Sleeping.
You're renting scooty.
Sleeping.
110cc, 200 baht
Sleeping.
per day, 10 days is
Really?
1,700
I look
baht.
at the
So
one to sleep.
Oh.
2,710 baht, including deposit. And motor gasoline, so
What part of Thailand are you from?
Thailand.
And
Yeah,
then
what part of
allow you to
Thailand?
go outside,
What's your
but
hometown?
Silent.
Surin?
And going over here because I'm sorry I speak English a little bit.
problem.
Your hometown.
Hometown silent.
Oh, close near, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
So Pattaya.
Oh, don't know. First time Pattaya.
You are the same. You stay here.
So 2,710.
Why you pay me
Oi.
so much?
Boy,
โอ้ย
you keep on talking to me.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Cup.
You choose helmet. You put on helmet every time. Police charge so
Sure, I
helmet
know, I know.
2,000.
2,000 now, huh? Only for Farana. Only
we
for
charge
foreigner,
10% for this,
No,
3% for
because
this
Thailand him no way. When
Oh.
you check point,
If you have cash,
Hey,
you
but
can
is there
pay
many
cash,
checkpoints?
and
Will they
this
check this a lot? They check this very much? This?
yeah. I want you come here next time. Please you check it is
No,
A
1,000.
for bike, B for car.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I didn't check when I went. I just gave it to them and then I gave it back. Oh well, I was already on the plane.
100.
You be careful. The footpath have white and red between. You cannot park.
Cannot park where?
Yeah. Footpath have red and white between. Cannot park.
Can't park. Cannot park.
Cannot park.
Oh, here on sidewalk.
No,
sidewalk.
I mean the color red and white between cannot park.
Anywhere
Yeah,
in
because a
Pattaya.
lot and on the beach, Pattaya, you can park Sasuli left, not right side beach.
Oh, left side only. Okay,
Only left.
only left.
Only take the pay and take bike and pay the fine exit. Okay?
Oh, they'll take the bike. So only park on the left-hand side.
Yes, and be careful that this is footpath cannot park. Okay?
Okay.
And Sanjo, please you take a photo. Him show you careful hand and take a photo. Don't worry, not show, just only make a quit. Okay? Yeah.
Hey, do you have bungee? Bungee?
Manji.
Bungee?
Lock, right? Okay.
Works now. Almost full, huh? Almost.
Not almost, it's full.
Oh, very sturdy, huh?
Yeah, because we keep on fighting with the customer returning not full. Don't want to pay, so we charge stores.
Oh, wait. Hey, do you know any? The beach is that way, huh?
Yes.
Okay. What's your favorite part of the? What part of the beach? Favorite restaurant?
I did not go.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, this one you have to put in here.
Oh.
Because we are here to work, not to spend our money
Oh.
with expensive. Okay?
Gotta go back to
Yes.
Philippines, huh?
Yes. You put your helmets in here.
Oh.
Two helmets fit, but be
Oh,
careful
two?
when putting your water.
2 fit right here.
Yes. You get only one?
Should I take another one?
Yeah. If you don't have lady, okay, only one. But if you have
Oh,
ladies,
let me
friend.
take. Have extra. It's good. Okay, bro. Are you ready for the craziness? Okay. So they fit in here, huh?
Yes. Put like that.
But you need one.
You need one. Wear it.
Oh, yeah.
Sir, documents here. Yeah?
Oh, very good.
So you need.
Please, can I have one?
Yes, you can.
And this one cannot lock the sleeve like that, and it's okay.
Hey, they won't steal the bikes, right?
No, we have GPS on. You're using the wrong. Turn around. Wrong.
Lessons.
And here.
Yeah, I saw this. That's good. Good feature.
This is manual, but you have to lock so that you're full.
Don't fly away, huh?
Yes. I take photo with you including the bike.
Oh, yeah.
Why you don't want this one? This is 250, but this is 200.
Why didn't you tell me that one's better?
No, just come back, customer. I told you, our motorbike, come and go. You want?
Can I come tomorrow?
No, maybe have customer come now and get this one.
It's okay.
Okay.
I'll come back tomorrow if I don't like.
Because this one only 50 baht different. 150.
It's better, huh?
Yes, better. You can change. How many days?
I got 1 week. 1 week.
Well, never mind. Free 1 day. The same.
Good salesman, huh? Good.
1,200 baht. This one 1,500 baht. Don't be but not hurt.
If I don't like, I'll come back tomorrow.
Okay.
I have your number. I have your number.
Guarantee that we can hold this
Yes, we
maybe.
cannot.
Oh.
Somebody
Oh.
book online ahead of time.
Yeah, I'll text you. I mean, I need to find somewhere. I gotta take a shower. I've been flying all day.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, have a nice day.
I text you, huh? I texted you, right?
Yes, I'm the one who answered you in one.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I gotta find a place. I don't know where I'm gonna stay.
Here, traffic is very crazy.
Right now, huh? Okay.
Thailand.
Thai style. Thai
It's
style.
nice to use motorcycle than car.
It's faster, huh?
Yes, because you can go. But here, people are very crazy, na?
Ah.
They're very crazy in driving. So even though you know when you get accident and they know that you are palang, they call it palang in Pad Thai, you're foreigner. Even though that's their fault, you will be the one to pay.
What?
Yes, that's why be careful.
Hey, where is places that you recommend I go check out?
Check what?
Like hang out, go visit popular places.
Oh, if you want,
Everything here.
this is Terminal 21. There's a lot over there. There's very nice also. Food complete inside.
Oh.
But if you want to go here, you go here in Walking Street in this evening. It's very beautiful.
Oh.
A lot of lady boy.
Oh, don't like.
No, it's beautiful. Beautiful also in the evening. And you can go tomorrow. You can go Sanctuary of Truth. Sanctuary of Truth. You can go. That's like museum, but it's very nice inside.
Oh.
Yes, and you can go Nongnoch Garden a lot. Just follow this one as long as and beach.
Okay.
This is beach.
Okay. That way, huh?
Yes.
Okay.